Spider-Man is probably one of my all-time favorite Marvel characters, besides Stan Lee, which is why I got so excited when I saw the new leaks for the brand new day suit. The costume looks so beautiful, and I wanted to recreate it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made the Spider-Man brand new day mask out of a t-shirt. Let's get started. Alright, so to make the Spider-Man mask, I have this red t-shirt, and I'm just gonna cut this up so I can use it. Alright, so I just cut the t-shirt out into a more manageable size, into like a big sheet, and I cut out this shape. This is a reference of Amazing PSM's Spider-Man mask. I'll link his video down below. And yeah, so I kind of cut out a shape like that, and yeah, I'm just gonna trace it onto here and cut it out. Alright, so I just finished up sewing up the mask, and I think it's looking pretty good. I made it a little tight, but I think it looks great so far. So yeah, let's get started on the eyes. I just traced the template I made onto some black craft foam, and I'm gonna cut this out. Alright, so I'm gonna take the eyes and put some white mesh in those. There. Okay, so I just glued the lenses on, and they're looking great. They're looking so good right now. Alright, so next I am going to draw on the details. I'm just going to be using a Sharpie. Yeah. And that is going to wrap up today's video. Please like, subscribe. I set up a Buy Me a Coffee if you want to support me that way. And anyways, that's going to be it. See you guys next time.